Hi guys, welcome to this new series of MERN stack application where we're gonna start from the ground. This is an introductory lesson that aims to give you an overview of what we're gonna build. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. In the first part of our application, we're gonna teach you how to build professional REST API with custom errors from the beginning to advanced. In our backend part, we will use node.js, MongoDB, Express.js. And as design patterns, we'll use MVC, the MVC pattern, and MVC stands for Model View Controller. So we will use our MongoDB to create our model, okay? And we will handle the logic in the controller, okay? So for the view, we will use React. Tools and technologies that we're gonna use. So the list is not exhaustive, as you can see, and we will use Node.js, Express, MongoDB, POSTMAN, Visual Studio Code, NPM, Git, GitHub, okay? And in the second part, okay, I've already told you for the view part in the MVC patterns, we'll use React. And as prerequisite, you need to know a little bit, JavaScript, the ES6 version. Okay, so you don't need to be an expert to follow along, but if you know a little bit JavaScript, so it will be fine, but we'll start from scratch. Okay, and as implementation, okay, we will implement authentication and authorization. So this we're gonna talk a lot, okay, more about this when we get there, okay. But what we're gonna implement user sign up, user sign in. Okay, in the user sign in, we will generate the token, and this token will be saved, in a cookie. Okay, so we'll implement HTTP only cookie. Okay, so when the user is signed out, so we will destroy the cookie. Okay, so and we will use user profile. For example, in the user profile, and if the user is signed in, so we'll get the currently, signed user to get this user profile. So you will see in a while how it works because I'm going to show you a little demonstration of the backend API. Okay, so we'll use also user role. For example, um, admin, regular user and admin user. Okay, we'll also use protected routes. For example, if you're not logging, there's some routes you cannot access. But also we'll also implement I mean for the user role, and uh, I mean you can log in and not able to access some other words. Okay, I will show you as a demonstration in our API with Postman in a while. Okay, so and we will start everything from the ground. Okay, so and we will build this application with you. Okay, so there's a lot to be going on, so you're gonna learn a lot, especially if you are beginners. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you this little demonstration in our Postman. As you can see, this is POSTMAN that we're gonna use to test our API, and we're gonna build something similar to this. For example, we have sign up, sign in category to create category, logout profile, user profile, and to see all the users. For example, I'm gonna make a sign up with this. Okay, And as you can see, the success is true, and this is the data. And by default, the user role is 0 for regular user and 1 for admin user. Okay, and um we make the sign up. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the credentials. For example, I'm gonna make a sign in from now. Okay, sign in. Okay, and this is the credential. The password is 126. Okay, and okay, so when we make a sign in, okay, so as you can see in the body, it has a success. Okay, success true, and a token was generated. Okay, this is a token, and also a cookie was also generated. The cookie name is token. Okay, and this is the value um, of the of the token. Okay, so we save our token in a cookie. Okay, and let me show you. For example, okay, this cookie will be available here. And for example, if you click in the profile, so this is the link. Okay, and as you can see the user profile because we are logged in. For example, this is the what to see all the users. Okay, even this user is logged in. Look, is not able to access denied because this word is an admin word. Is this user is not able, okay, is not allowed to access this word. For example, for create category, okay, for example, let's name a category. Let's say we can say JavaScript. Okay, um, okay, JavaScript, and if we try to create, you see access denied because only admin can create category. Okay, and also in the logout route. Okay, so if you click okay, and as you can see, successful. Okay, the user is logged out. Now the user is logged out. The user is not able to see his profile. Okay, the user is logged out, is not able to see his profile. Right. So now I'm gonna show you the admin. Okay. Okay. And now let's try for our admin user. Okay. So our admin user is manzebo at gmail.com. Okay. So let's sign in. Okay. Send a request. Okay. As you can see, success true. It generates the token and also the token is saved in a cookie. Okay, so I forget to tell you this is an HTTP only cookie. So you see HTTP only cookie true. Okay, here, and the secure flag. So for example, if we are using HTTPS in our application, we can enable that. Mean this cookie will be accessible only with HTTPS. Okay, so but we're gonna get there. Okay, for example, to create category, and if you want to create category, for example, look, okay, so the admin was able to create category, as you can see, successful, and this is the, I mean, the response. Okay, so also you can see the profile, okay, of the admin user. For example, you see the profile. This is the currently logged user. Okay, you see the email. I've made the login. Okay, the sign in, right? Okay, and to see all the users, regular users cannot see all the users, but admin can. For example, if we send a request, as we can see, we have a lot of users, okay, in the database. Only the admin user can see it. Okay, so guys, that's it. For example, log out, okay, if you send a request, and also the admin, okay, successful, and the admin is logged out. Okay, so that's what we're gonna build, but we'll be also create our product. Okay, we'll show you how to upload image. I mean, there's a lot to be going on. Okay, guys, and after that we will, I mean, create our front end application with React. Okay, guys, that's what we're gonna build with you. Okay, this will be a long series. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, so you can drop your comment below. Okay, and don't forget to share this to your friend. And from now, see you in the next video. Bye bye.